TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can make money with TikTok. What exactly is their affiliate marketing program and is it really worth it right now? So let's jump right in. What exactly is affiliate marketing? First, we need to understand that. So affiliate marketing means that you're promoting a product, and whenever a product that you promote, whatever kind of product it may be, it gets purchased via your special link, then you get a commission. So it basically is a sales shop where you're trying to promote a product and get it sold. Every time a product unit is sold, it is going to be attributed to you. And once a click or a sale is attributed to you, you're going to receive a commission. Now, TikTok has its own platform for TikTok affiliates, so you can become a TikTok ad affiliate. How is this different than promoting any other product on TikTok? Well, it certainly is pretty different. The reason for that is because the TikTok affiliate program has its own product that people promote. This means that you don't have to deal with the hassle of a third-party platform and third-party click attribution. So TikTok makes it really simple to promote a lot of popular products, and those popular products are super easy to promote. The reason for that is TikTok has super trendy products that a lot of people are already interested in. So TikTok for Business drives results, and you guys can see that 79% of users agree TikTok content is more unique, with over 40 plus countries and over 1 billion active global users. Now, what are the benefits of actually joining the TikTok affiliate program? First off, you're going to earn rewards with competitive commissions on your referral ads, spend bonus thresholds, account-specific earning targets, and exclusive coupon opportunities for your audience. So TikTok not only provides you the product that you have to promote, but you also do receive some discounts that you can offer to your audience. This motivates your audience to purchase products via your link. You have exclusive resources where you can gain early access to product and business updates, webinars, events, and more. After that, you have dedicated support. So they help you at every step of your partner journey, from quick questions to long-term optimization. Then you have credibility, because with TikTok, you can make your account very long-lasting and increase your longevity with a TikTok ad manager to provide your audience with the highest quality expertise for successful ad campaigns. Now, if you're an existing affiliate, you can dive into their resource library, and they have a pretty huge resource library that you can use. Now, who should become an affiliate? Well, content influencers, strategic partners can become influencers. Mostly it's recommended for content influencers, and even if you're a micro influencer, you have less than 100 followers or even no followers, you can still become a affiliate, because the purpose of TikTok affiliates is not to have hundreds of followers. The purpose is to display and showcase the product in a way that generates sales, and TikTok does that with their explore page. So you don't need to have a bunch of followers to become an affiliate. Now, with that, they do have partner tiers. So you have a member, silver, and platinum. With a member, you earn big with their baseline terms while operating at your own pace. You get access to their guides and resources to help you get started. Then you have their silver tier, where you can earn big with their baseline terms, get support via their community managed service model, and exclusive to silver partners. After that, you have their platinum, which you have one-on-one support with the TikTok team with unique opportunities for co-branded marketing and flexible commissions. So you have quite a few different affiliate features, and you guys can see that you have their top affiliate partner. Then you guys can see even some success stories. Now, after that, you have a couple of different resources where you have newbie formulas for success, you have impact new partner guide, you have their affiliate program onboarding guide, and you also have affiliate case studies. So you have the Carrot app card, you have lead generation with Cespa and Alchemy, and more. And they have multiple different affiliate agency partners. This includes impact.com. So if you head on over into impact.com, you can join TikTok for Business affiliate, and you can click on sign up over here. Once you do that, you have a complete contract with the entire terms and permissions. And you guys can see that this will give you the payout details, depending on your condition and your payout information. So you guys can see that, for example, I'll show you guys this. Customer country divided by the region it is at, 20% of the order sale amount is going to be your commission. Depending on the niche that you are in, your commissions can look different as well. Now you guys can see that 10,000 payout per customer per month, action locking, invoicing, and payout scheduling. So approved transactions are paid 30 days after the end of the day they are invoiced. Then you have qualified referrals. So what exactly is going to be qualified as a referral? Their credit policy is last click, and their referral window is up to 90 days. What about cash active? Default payout is $0. Then you have your schedule. So actions are locked 15 days after end of the month they are tracked. Then you have invoicing, where actions are invoiced on the 17th of the month after they lock. Approved transactions are paid 30 days after the end of the day they are invoiced. And you have high value cash active. So you guys can see this is $10. So you ideally want to be targeting your niche or trying to place your content in this niche where you get $10 per order, because this again is a very high paying niche. Below that, you will also see the bonus tiers. So your action ranges are going to change your bonus rate. So you get paid a fixed bonus based on the action count for each month. If it's 5 to 9, it's $50, 10 to 14, $100. If it's more than 50, it's $500. Action locking, invoicing, and payout scheduling for these bonuses is mentioned here. And then you have your general terms. You also have their campaign terms like so, and you can download this complete PDF as well. Then click on continue over here. After that, you can sign up with your email to get started with earning. So you're just going to enter your first name, last name, then the username that you want to use. I'm just going to add that here. Then you can go with your email address like so. Once you do that, you can proceed with your phone number and your password that you want to use and proceed with your TikTok affiliate sign up. Now, once you have signed up for the affiliate program, you need to make sure that you are actually successful. So this is why you're going to be using their affiliate hub. This gives you access to the basics of TikTok advertising, guide to creating competitive content, and TikTok must-have ad solutions. You also have some email templates and images that are ready to use, as well as their advertiser success stories, so you can replicate formulas that already work. They have a bunch of different resources, so you can check all of these out in complete detail before you get started on your TikTok affiliate journey. So you guys can see they have a simple formula for success PDF. And for this, I'm going to give you guys a basic gist of how to make actual viral content and interesting content. You need to make sure that the hook of your video is interesting. So that means the first 2 seconds of your video need to grasp the attention of the viewer, because this is what is going to make or break a sale. Most people are scrolling and they don't want to stop. So if your TikTok is pretty boring in the first second, people are going to scroll ahead. How do you build an interesting hook? Well, you need to do something crazy, something out of the box. This includes doing maybe a backflip. Maybe you're going to be cutting some fruit in a really bad way. Anything to get the viewer's interest. And that is how you can get started with TikTok affiliate marketing. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.